what exactly the film The Second Wind stands for.
Firstly, the word second wind only means it's a second chance. Like, it's always used in sports. So it's like you're getting that, when there is a tournament, suppose badminton ho gaya, even in marathon running, when we divide a run, it's a very typical mentality of all runners ki 21 ho, 42 ho, 10 ho, any length, now we start dividing. Ki next half mein main zyada, depends on all runners. Like, I'll give my best because I'm finishing the run. So that is the meaning of the word second wind, which is very simple. Now, why I named my film or I chose the word was because I felt like in our life, we always have some downfalls, some fallouts. And most of the time, we feel this is it. And we take a lot of time to come back. But then, after my experience throughout my life, seeing these two athletes who are also in the movie, I felt like knowingly, unknowingly, they found this second wind. So why not make it a conscious effort by putting it on the screen where people actually see, okay, this is what second wind is all about.
What all difficulties you faced during the process of the film?
Yeah. So the first thing was the cast. Writing to because it's original story. So obviously I had to script it, screenplay it, but I did take help of a script writer, Kundan, who helped in writing the script and all. But to cast was really tough because I was in two minds whether I should cast the actual athletes, whether I should take a character like a actor. But then after 3-4 months, I felt like जो एक athlete ने experience किया है, that the character cannot do in 3-4 months, like the actor, because like Mayura, who is a triathlete, she went through phases, so many years. How can I put that originality in like 1 month, 2 month, 3 months reading or reading the script? How much ever, with due respect, the actor is, she will not be able to feel absolutely 100%. And I wanted that originality. So that was the most difficult part to decide. And I think I made a good choice because my first choice was to make a documentary where there is just documentation of the person's experience and life. There is nothing called a script or anything. But the moment I felt like, let me make it more easily relatable to the mass, let me not make it so serious, but on the lighter side, a life journey, that's where I wrote the script, but keeping their original story absolutely to the T. So that was difficult. Directing, yes, I had a help with my AD, so that was really brilliant. So because I was in the film, so I could concentrate in the character, like which my character was little fictionalized. And post production was tough because I had to choose the right person to give the best quality of grading, editing, music. Thankfully, I found someone I really could relate. The person was very organic. Plus, Malika also has given the bass line, the first music. So, music was also good. But finding the music was very difficult because the kind of music I have in my film is just not there anywhere. It's the first time I've introduced handpan and sitar, which people feel it's only okay for a live set or kind of a program, but not for films. So, that was a chance I took. So yeah, that was difficult, and yeah, so this is it. Yeah.
What is the message you want to give to the audience?
So see, I have grown up in a family where we were 11 cousins. Okay, so it's a joint family. Yeah. So, but still, me and my sister, we are the two siblings. Now everything is becoming very small. Joint family तो है ही नहीं, किसी ने सुना भी नहीं. My daughter also doesn't know what it is, how it feels. Or single child है. So the child also and the mother also are, the life has become very fast. My mom was also a professional, a doctor, but I never felt that because I was always with my cousins and friends. So now I feel the relationship between the mother and the daughter becomes very formal at one point where you have to rejudge and talk, where you have to be careful of what you say. But I feel ki the relationship is still very beautiful. It will always stay beautiful, mother-daughter. It's just that time has changed. Things have become faster. So just take a step back, and we want friends, like a mother want a friend. And I think somewhere down, even daughters feel mothers are the best friend. Like, they have a lot of friends, but that friendly relationship, when it's maintained, everything becomes very open. The stress level is less because in all relationships, we have stress. दो जन है तो उनकी तो definition of life and everything is different. The way they have seen the world, we have seen it is very different. So the message is that, that we, mother and daughter, are always there for each other. It's not that we take each other for granted, but at times, we do take for granted. And let not time, when, say, at the end, we are not going to be staying forever, right? Like I have my mom, like my daughter has me. So we are not always going to live in this world. But let not that time count when you feel like, shit, I could have done that with her, or I could have done that with. So enjoy that process, fight, have, things, but solve it. And then, you know, that's what the message is. Even in my film, you will see there's no high drama. There's a little bit of miscommunication, or shuru hota hi na usko khatam kar do. Let there be communication. There is a dialogue also, like communicate. It's not that hard. So let there be communication. That's the key to a beautiful relationship.
What are the qualities you would like to take from Malika?
Yeah, so she is very, I've seen various kinds of, I'm not comparing anyone. I feel everybody is a beautiful person, like whatever the way they live their life in their age category. But when I see Malika, I feel she is a free soul, which is so important to have a happy life. Maybe the person doesn't realize that, I am a free soul. She's not influenced by people all around her.
Can you double click on what free soul?
Free soul meaning ki, the world is suppose moving towards a direction of making heaps of money or name or fame or looking good near the foot, like always taking care of looks and how do I present myself. She is the way she is. Like main aise hi hu. This is the way I am. And she just does thing which her heart says do it. Like she studied finance, she studied economics, but she went to music. She did swimming also, but swimming was then a passion later. But then she just shifted to music. Now the line she has chosen is very different of managing artist, which is difficult. It just doesn't happen. But she's like, I'll follow my passion. बोलती है कल मुझे पता नहीं, maybe I become a scuba diver, maybe I become a swimming instructor. So that is what I love. She's not planning a lot of things, which really makes you very restrictive. And she's a people's person. She empathizes a lot, which I really love about her. She's hot tempered, but when she feels for some person, she really goes to any extent to help the person. That is the first quality that I love about her. And since a child, she was like that. We never taught her to be that. So that is what I love about her.
It was a natural calling.
Natural calling. Yeah, yeah.
What are the qualities you would like to take from Mayura and Nandini?
Yeah. So yeah, no, I don't lie. I mean, I'm being very honest. First, let's start with Nandini. So we met in the theater. First time when I saw her, I found her very snooty. Like very, yeah, that's the first impression when I got like, this girl is sitting on the chair. She's not even sitting down. She's not even talking to all of us.
Where you guys met?
In Rangshina theaters. Yeah. So then later I understood she has a back issue, so she can't sit down. Okay. Then slowly, when we started opening out, like we used to have this, like you have to do some certain kind of acts where individually also you do your scripts and then together also you have doing things. Then I understood that she is a person who is really she is. मतलब ऐसी है तो ऐसे ही है वो. And that's what I liked about her, that she is not putting up any show. Whether you like it or do not like it, that's the way I am. And secondly is that she comes out and helps everyone. Like we have done a production called Ek Saath, which is a theater production, first production of mine and hers too. We co-produced it and she stayed awake the entire night to promote the theater. Yes, she had also put in her full, time, and she was also acting in the thing. So that is what I like. She is very helping. She has a kind heart. And she does get little introvert at times, but I guess even I am introvert at one point. So that's her character, but that doesn't mean she's not trying to help people out. So that is her character I like. She's very helpful. And Mayura, oh, she's bindas lady. Like that's the one word I have. I know her since so many years, but initially I didn't know her so well. This film has really, got us close. What I feel is that, when like उसकी एक है कि डॉक्टर के पास गई जब भी पता चला कि उसको मेटास्टेटिस है तो डॉक्टर ने बोला सी मयूरा आई थिंक यू शुड स्टार्ट द ट्रीटमेंट फॉरगेट अबाउट द रेस शी हैड registered for one triathlon.
For the viewers, can you explain what exactly triathlon?
Okay, yeah. So triathlon is a combination of 3 sports. You start with swimming, then you go to cycling, and you end with running. उसमें categories रहते हैं, Olympic size बोलते हैं, half बोलते हैं, Iron Man है, and अभी Ultra Iron Man भी है, जो मिलिंद सोमन और ऑरिजिन ने किया इंडिया से. So the toughest is the ultra one, but generally Ironman is 2.5 kilometers of swimming, which can be open or pool. Generally, it's open. It's 90 kilometers of cycling and 42.195 kilometers of running. Yeah, so you have to finish in one given time also. So she had, I think, registered for the half Ironman, okay, which was in Hyderabad. And then the doctor said, Ki, you should start chemotherapy. You know what she said? मरना तो वैसे, that time she didn't know कि cancer can be treated, breast cancer can be treated. तो cancer सुनते सबको first thing like, I don't have time. She said, I don't have time. मरना तो वैसे भी है, तो उधर मरो, इधर मरो. At least I will follow my love and I'll like, whatever happens. But अभी भी वो बोलती है तो है, like when we went to Cannes, she had backed out booking her ticket, but later she came because she thought she's losing her confidence. She's feeling her body is giving up at some point. So she said, no, I again did my ticket. I said, akeli jaungi, I will visit France, I'll visit a little bit of Europe, but I'll come back. So, and there also in that cold, she swam. She went to, when she had time, she went for swimming in the oceans and all. So she is a very get-going kind of a girl. Again, very helpful. And whenever you say, Mayura, I'm coming home, yeah, come and stay with me is her answer. So that way also, like, I've got very good positive people around me. That's what I'm grateful and I'm thankful. Yeah.
And she's full of life.
She's full of life. Yeah.
What this film has given you as a person?
The first thing is the relationship with my daughter has really improved. For some reason, even if you ask her, I think she'll also say that because we traveled together, we stayed together in Cannes. And plus, when we shot, she was really getting very, not irritated, but time bound because she's working also. But then I was very patient, and then I hats off to her that she was also very patient towards the end. कि मम्मा का भी काम है तो करना ही है, तो कर लेती हूँ कैसे भी. But then now she says it's our film. When I talk about some awards and all, she said, "Oh wow, we got an award. Pehle you got or the film got." I think she's also changed a lot. My relationship has really been good, and technically, I have learned a lot of things: how a film is made, what is post, what is grading, what is this that. It's made me more resilient. Now it's a time where the actual what do you call the journey starts, where I will be releasing film. So I'm very patient with it. I'm looking around to all possibilities, and I know that it's going to a very good platform. I'm just very sure about it. It's just the time that will go there.
What do you want to say about the film?
So about the film, I would say it's when you come to watch the film, do not please compare with any Bollywood because it's made in India. I'm saying film. It's a film beyond Bollywood. Whenever I have even applied to so many film festivals where it is getting a lot of good recognition and awards, it is the category only says beyond Bollywood, which means I have added music. There are good scripts. There is very good cinematography. Abhijit has done a wonderful job. So the word music itself says that it's not a documentary, but I have kept the documentary style because that's what I love Satyajit Ray movie. If you see his movies, it's like slow paced. I've given audience to sink into the time, into that thing. You kind of be there. So I know it's a world of Instagram and reels where things are moving very fast. The attention part of people are just few seconds, but relax, take your time, watch the 1 hour, 15 hours movie, sink into the movie, find yourself, and please do not compare कि Milkha Singh का ऐसा, Mary Kom का ऐसा, ये क्या वो नहीं है. It's your story, it's a life journey. So you will find yourself somewhere there as an audience. That's what my say is about the film.
What is the common feedback you are getting for the film?
Yeah, the common thing is like, oh, it's women centric, directed, produced, written, acted by women, and it's real story, real athletes are acting. That is the only common thing that I'm getting when I'm briefly describing this. That's something absolutely new, where actual athletes, they are not actors. In fact, at the end of the movie, I had to say that as a voiceover because when we did a screening in the Cannes and Market Wala thing, they thought the swimmer and the triathlete, they are also actors. So I had to specifically change that part and say that they are the actual athletes playing their own roles. Yeah, so just now I had applied in this Purple Haze, which is in Germany, the music festival. So the person, Paul, directly wrote back saying it was so heart touching. We really love to include your movie and give you the winner category of the month. So it was really heart touching. That's what I got. Yeah.